Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we are going to be playing with 5 of the colors from SheModern's Jelly Water Paints series. We have got the pink fuchsia. Whoops, let me get in frame here. This is the Jelly Pink Fuchsia Water Paint. Here we have got the Ocean Blue. Blue. Right here we have Neon Pink. I think that's a beautiful color. The ring finger, I'm going to be doing the Orange Apricot. So I'm going to leave that out. And on the pinky we have got the Purple Lavender. These are not opaque. They are jellies. I know they may look like they are opaque, but they are not. Excuse me. So we're going to be taking the ring finger and our... I don't need that yet. I'm jumping ahead of myself. I need my other palette is what I need. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You also can do a beautiful jelly sandwich with these, but I'm not going to because the decals that I'm using, whoops, the butterfly shifts in color. And I feel that if I made a jelly sandwich, you wouldn't see the shift. I have got any old art brush, whatever you want to call this. We are going to saturate our brush, get a good amount on, and lightly paint your nail. This is air dry. This is not gel. It does not cure in the lamp. You can stick this under or in front of a fan. This is a hurry up and wait type of deal. So, while this is drying, I'm going to put this off here. I'm going to show you the decals I'm using. This is Mixed Arts. Ooh, I can't see this. Let me move this about. Looks like it says 11 and in parentheses an S. These are some beautiful foils. They are the rainbow. And I'm using a little piece of the grass. So on the ring finger we are going to have some grass and a butterfly. That is going to be our Jelly Spring Mani. I think it's going to be really beautiful, but this is going to take some time to dry. So on that note, we will be back. Alrighty, we are back. It is finally air dried, and it does take quite some time because I did do 2 coats. I think it is a nice color. It is, again, whoops. Where's my eyeballs? Sorry, we're reading glasses. This is the Apricot Orange. These are jellies. I love this. It's beautiful. I'm now going to put some nail glue on. Nail foil glue, whatever you want to call it. To make our details stick. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Don't forget to click the bell. And then click all. That way you're notified of all future videos I do. This coming up week, I've got my acrylic series going on Tuesday. And then Thursday, I don't know what I'm doing Thursday yet. But then, I think on the 29th, Glitter Girls are having a collaboration go out. So stay tuned for that. That'll be cool. We are doing neons. So it's going to be interesting to see what everybody does. Okay. There we go. Gonna pick up my grass. I'm using the red grass. Take the backing off. And dab, dab, dab. Place this on the nail wherever you want it. There we go. Then I'm going to try for, oh boy, where is it? Here we go. Make sure your decal is laying down flat. Next, I'm picking up my butterfly and dab, dab, dab. Dab on any lint-free surface. There we go. We're done with our stamper. And just smooth out your butterfly. And there we go. I think that is really, really pretty. Now, move our canvas. I want to use some bling. Maybe some blue. I'm going to pause and be right back so I can grab some more. Alright, we're back. I have some, these are Charlie's. These are like a pinky peach. Just beautiful, beautiful crystals. Some gems, rhinestones. I don't know what to call them. I call them all the above. We have some sapphire blue. These are for Modelones. I'm going to be putting them on with Beetle's top coat because these are fake nails. They're not going on any person. Then I might use some builder gel or actually some glue. Well, if you're doing acrylics, then you would definitely want some glue. I think. Makes them adhere better to the nail. Removal could be, you know, a little tricky there. I've not done any removal yet of any gems. So, I mean, I've watched Nailed by Nikki's video and how she does hers. I've seen Diana do it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Got our wax figure-upper. Oops. Just, you know, rotate your colors. These pink ones do have kind of a magenta tone, I think, maybe. I think. I could be wrong. But that's just what I think. Oh. That's just what I think. I don't know. Whoops. Oh, man. That really sucks. Came flying off the nail at me. I think these blue are just beautiful. What do you think? I think we even center them just a little bit better. Ooh, that startled me just a little bit. I'm going to stick this in for a flash cure. And go to another nail. I think these blues, well, Instagram's alive and kicking. And we got a text message so bright and early this morning. It's probably about 6:30, 6:45. Here we go, here we go. What do you think? Got a flash cure on here. Let me stick this one in for a flash cure. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Let me put some of these down the center. I don't know how this looks. So we're just winging it. What do you think? Whoops. Put this in for a flash cure. Whoops. Whoopsie. That was short. Hopefully it's enough to keep in place. Whoops. That means that's it. Whoops. Shoot. I'm sorry. Instagram is hopping. That's alright. The girls are up. Seeing what's going on with everyone. I'm sure all is well in the nail community. How are we looking so far? What do you think? We're going to continue on to the index finger. Our last nail to go. And then we're going to put her in for, whoops, a 60-second cure. These blue, I think, are just stunning. I'm sorry, I really do. Whoops. There. We're going to put these in. Get us a full cure going on. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. Excuse me. We are fresh out of the lamp, as I say. This is our manicure for SheModern Saturday with the jelly paints you see before me. We have got the purple lavender, orange apricot, neon pink, blue ocean, and pink fuchsia. I think these turned out just gorgeous. I just love them. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Love the rhinestones. They're just gorgeous. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment. Share, a like, all the above. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.